Hello guys, welcome back to Makaut Smashers. In this video, we continue our journey into the programming for problem solving with chapter 2, the arithmetic expressions and precedence. Understanding how expressions work is essential for writing the efficient code. We will explore the different types of operators, learn about the precedence and associativity, and discuss the type conversion and typecasting. We will also dive into how expressions are written and evaluated in programming languages. Finally, we will look at mathematical functions and libraries that simplify the complex calculation. Mastering these concepts will help you to write error-free and optimized programs. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming lessons. Let's dive into the world of expressions and calculations. So, operators in the programming languages like the arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment. So, operators are the symbols that perform the operations on variables and values. Arithmetic operators like the plus, minus, multiplication, divide, the modulo operator are used for basic mathematical operations. The relational operator greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal, double equal, not equal, to compare the values and return the true or false. So logical operators like the logical or, logical not, these help in decision making by combining multiple conditions. Assignment operators like the equal, plus equal, minus equal, these assign or update the values in the variables. So these operators form the backbone of programming logic. Proper use of operators ensures efficient calculations and decision making in the programs. Operator precedence and associativity. So, when multiple operators are used in an expression, the order in which they execute is determined by the precedence and associativity. Operators with high precedence execute first, like the multiplication before addition. If two operators have same precedence, then associativity comes. Means left to right, right to left. Determines the order. Understanding the precedence helps in avoiding the logical errors in calculation. Parentheses can be used to control the execution order explicitly. So now type conversion and typecasting. Programming languages handle the data of different types such as integer, floating point numbers, character. So type conversion occurs when a value is automatically changed from one data type to another, like converting into float in a division operation. This is called implicit conversion. Automatically compilers can convert our values. But typecasting or explicit conversion is when a programmer manually converts a data type using syntax like float a. So before a, we use the bracket and give the data types. A is a kind of, you can say, variable. Okay. So understanding these concepts prevents the unexpected errors in the calculation. So expressions, these are combination of variable, constant and operators that produce a value. They can be simple expressions, algebraic or complex. When evaluating expressions, programming languages follow operator precedence and associativity rule. A well-structured expression ensures accuracy and efficiency in the calculation. Debugging the errors in the expression is crucial as misplaced operators or incorrect precedence can lead to incorrect result by default. So proper formatting and parentheses helps in writing the readable and maintainable expression. So mathematical functions. Programming languages provide built-in mathematical functions to simplify the complex calculation. The math library in the C like the hash include math.h, in the Python import math includes the functions like the square root, power function, ceiling, floor, absolute, the logarithm. Okay, so these functions make the mathematical operations more efficient and reduce the coding effort. Using libraries ensures accuracy and consistency in the program, requiring advanced calculation. So you don't need to manually write the whole calculations or whole code. Learning these functions enhances a programmer's ability to solve real-world computations problems effectively. So let's conclude our discussion on arithmetic expression and precedence. Today we learned about different operator, precedence, rules, type conversion, and expression evaluation. We also explored the mathematical functions and libraries, which are the essential for complex calculation. These concepts form the core programming logic and are used in every coding problem. So in the next video we will cover conditional and branching and looping, which will help us to control the program flow effectively. So if you found this video helpful, so like, share and subscribe to Makaut Smasher for more tutorials. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to help. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.